Part 1. The shocking truth about making money with AI. No investment needed. Did you know that right now, people are making thousands of dollars using artificial intelligence without spending a single cent? I'm talking about free tools, faceless methods, and results that are happening faster than anyone expected. This isn't some get-rich-quick scam. This is the future of online income, and it's happening today. Let me be clear, I'm not a tech expert. I don't code. I didn't spend a penny to get started. What I did do was pay attention to one thing: opportunity. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines thinking it's too late or too complicated to make money with AI, I have news for you. You're exactly who this video is for, because I'm about to show you step by step how I made over $2,000 in a month using 100% free tools, without showing my face, and with just a few hours of work per week. So how did it start? Like many people, I kept seeing YouTube videos pop up titled, "Make $500 a day with AI. AI side hustles that work in 2025. Earn passive income without working." But most of them either didn't explain the full method, or they required some kind of paid software. So I challenged myself to find only free tools and create a system from scratch. Step 1. Choose a profitable topic. Before touching any AI tool, you need a niche. A topic where there's already traffic, interest, and monetization potential. Here are a few proven niches: personal finance, budgeting, investing, crypto, health and wellness, weight loss, mental health. AI tools, trending like crazy right now. Celebrity news or pop culture, motivational content, quotes, speeches. Pro tip: use Google Trends plus YouTube search suggestions to validate your niche. If you type AI tools for, and you see auto-suggestions like teachers, students, or business, that's a green light. Step 2. Write your script with AI. Free. Once I picked my niche, AI tools for making money, I used ChatGPT to generate my entire script. Here's how. Go to openai.com, type a prompt like, write a 10-minute YouTube video script explaining how to make money using free AI tools. Edit and personalize the script slightly to make it more engaging and unique. What's crazy is that the entire video script was ready in under 5 minutes. No writing skills needed. No copy-pasting from the internet. Just pure AI productivity. Step 3. Turn the script into a video. Now comes the magic. I used Pictory.ai, which lets you create full videos just by uploading your script. Here's what it does automatically. Finds relevant video clips, adds transitions and text overlays, syncs voiceovers, even free voice options. Exports in HD and ready for YouTube. In minutes, I had a video that looked like it was edited by a pro. Coming up in part 2. Which exact tools I used to clone voices for free. How to add viral effects and captions, where I published the videos to get views fast. Stay tuned. This is just the beginning of the AI money machine. Part 2. Turning words into profit. The tools that did it. Also, with the script written by ChatGPT and my niche locked in, it was time to bring the content to life, visually, audibly, and virally. This is where the true power of free AI tools becomes undeniable. You don't need fancy gear, editors, or a film crew. You just need the right tools. And in this video, I'll show you the exact ones I used to earn over $2,000 in just a few weeks. Step 4. Add a voiceover using free AI. Let's face it, people won't watch a silent video. And if you're faceless like me, that means you need a voiceover. Here's the catch. Most realistic AI voices come from paid platforms like 11 Labs or Murph, but I found a powerful free alternative. ttsmaker.com. It lets you choose multiple voice styles, male, female, accents. Generate high-quality speech from your script. Download the audio files for free without watermarks. Pro tip: use shorter chunks of script to avoid errors and create smoother delivery. And just like that, my video had a voice. One that sounded natural, clear, and surprisingly human. Step 5. Automate the video creation with Pictory. AI, as mentioned in part 1, Pictory is your AI video editor on autopilot. Now here's how I used it like a pro, completely free during the trial, and I took full advantage before it expired. Pasted my script into Pictory, let it choose video scenes automatically, uploaded my AI voiceover, adjusted timing for dramatic effect, added captions and animated text. Great for retention. The result? A highly engaging, faceless video that looked like it was made by a full YouTube team. And the best part? I did it in under 60 minutes, all with zero cost. Step 6. Create a thumbnail that grabs attention. People won't click if your thumbnail looks boring. So I used Canva, yes, the free version, to make bold, eye-popping thumbnails. Tips that worked. Use large fonts like $2,000 in 30 days. Add arrows, emojis, or a shocked face. Contrast colors, yellow plus black, red plus white. Keep it clean, don't overcrowd it. You can also use AI tools like Magic Studio to remove backgrounds or enhance faces. These little tweaks equals massive click-through rate boost. Step 7. Upload and optimize on YouTube. This is where many creators fail, but you won't. Here's the exact upload formula I used. Title: How I made $2,000 using free AI tools, faceless and automated. Description: clear, keyword-rich, with affiliate links, if any. Hashtags: hashtag AI money, hash passive income. Faceless. YouTube tags: include words like AI tools, make money online, YouTube automation, category, education, to boost CPM and reach the right viewers. Then I scheduled the video for peak hours in the US, between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern. Result? Within 3 days, I had over 15,000 views, clicks on my affiliate link, hundreds of comments, and my first $230 in revenue. It snowballed from there, and that's just one video. In part 3, how I scaled up the process, built an entire system using free tools, and created multiple income streams using the same content. Are you ready to automate your income? Part 3, scaling the system, from one video to a money-making machine. After launching my first video and seeing real results, I had one question in mind. How can I repeat this over and over again? That's when I realized the real power of AI isn't just in making one video. It's about building a repeatable, scalable system that can earn for you 24/7 while you sleep. Here's exactly how I scaled from one faceless video to multiple income streams, all using free tools and a smart workflow. Step 8. Build a content production system with AI. Most people burn out because they try to do everything manually. But with AI, you can automate 80% of the work. Here's my weekly content system. Brainstorm 3 video ideas using ChatGPT prompt. Give me 3 viral YouTube video ideas in the AI money niche. Write 3 full scripts. ChatGPT again, tweak slightly. Generate 3 voiceovers, TTS Maker. Create 3 videos in Pictory. 1 per day equals to 15 to 20 mins each, done in 1 to 2 hours total. Design 3 thumbnails in Canva. I use templates now to save time. Upload and schedule videos on YouTube. Done for the week. Zero stress. This system allowed me to go from 1 video per week to 3+, without ever showing my face or hiring help. Step 9. Add multiple streams of income. Here's where it gets exciting. Your video itself can make you money, but what if each view also earns you from 2 to 3 different angles? That's what I did. My monetization stack. YouTube ads, AdSense, after hitting 1,000 subs, plus 4,000 watch hours, affiliate links, promote AI tools like Pictory, ChatGPT Plus, or Canva Pro digital products. I added a free PDF guide in exchange for email sponsorships. Later, brands started reaching out after 20K views. Pro tip: you don't need a website. Use Gumroad, Notion, or Linktree for free product delivery or lead collection. Step 10. Use analytics to improve. Every video after uploading about 5 videos, I started seeing patterns. Some titles worked way better. Some thumbnails got 3x more clicks. I used YouTube Studio Analytics to track CTR, click-through rate. If it's below 4%, redesign thumbnail retention graphs. If people drop after 30 seconds, rewrite intro's top traffic sources. Optimize based on what's working, search, browse, etc. By analyzing and tweaking, my 6th video performed 4x better than the first. Same tools, same system, just smarter execution. Real talk. What you actually need to succeed. Let's recap what you really need. A free ChatGPT account, a free voiceover tool like TTS Maker, a free trial or cheap access to Pictory, Canva, free for thumbnails, a YouTube channel, obviously. Consistency and basic strategy. That's it. No face, no budget, no team, just smart use of tools plus commitment. In part 4, I'll break down exactly how long it took to hit 2,000, what I would do differently if starting today, and how you can begin right after watching this video. Part 4. From $0 to $2,000, the timeline, lessons, and next steps. Let's get real now. You've seen the tools. You've seen the system, but the question remains, how long did it take me to make $2,000? Really? The answer might surprise you. The real timeline to profit week 1. I created and uploaded my first video. It got just over 1,200 views in 3 days. I earned $0 from YouTube, but I got 11 affiliate link clicks and 2 conversions, equal 46th week. 2 uploaded, 2 more videos, views started stacking, 5,000 plus total, added a free PDF guide with CTA and description, built a small email list, 39 subs affiliate earnings that week, it 163. Week 3. My 5th video went semi-viral, 18,000 plus views, applied for YouTube, partner program revenue from YouTube plus affiliates, equals $790 total. Week 4. Monetized officially on YouTube 3, more videos published, past $2,000 mark between ad revenue plus affiliate earnings, total time, 28 days. Total spent, $0 on tools. Total views, 52,000 plus email list, 120 plus for future promotions. What I would do differently, so you can skip the mistakes. Let me give it to you straight. These are 3 things I wish I'd done earlier. Double down on one topic. My first 2 videos were too broad. Focus growth. Create a thumbnail template system. Saves time and keeps branding consistent. Push email list harder. The real money is in having an audience you own. Your step-by-step launch plan. Start today. Here's your simplified action plan. Pick one niche, money, AI, motivation, etc. Use ChatGPT to write a killer script. Generate voice using TTS Maker or other free TTS. Create video in Pictory Design. Eye-catching thumbnail in Canva upload with optimized title, description, hashtags. Include affiliate or freebie link. Rinse and repeat 2-3x per week. Even if you have 0 experience, this system works. All you need is consistency, basic creativity, and 100% belief that you can do this. Final message. There's never been a better time to start. You're not late. You're actually early, because most people are still watching videos instead of creating them. So if you're serious about changing your financial life in 2025, and you want to build something automated, scalable, and real, this is your sign. Hit that subscribe button, comment "I'm in" if you're ready, and start building your AI income machine today, because I did it, and so can you. In a world driven by rapid advancements, understanding new concepts is crucial. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that simplifies complex ideas. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by information overload? You're not alone. With so many sources, it's hard to grasp essential concepts quickly. Let's break it down step by step, making it easy to follow. First, we start with the core idea. This is the foundation of our topic. Understanding it is key to mastering the whole concept. Next, we'll explore the key components. Each part plays a significant role. Once you grasp these, you'll see how they connect seamlessly. Now let's make it relatable. Imagine you're at a mall. Each store represents a component of our concept. When you visit them, you notice how they contribute to the overall experience. As we delve deeper, we'll use examples from everyday life. This will help clarify any confusion and illustrate how this concept applies in practical situations. Recap what we've learned so far. We've broken down the concept into manageable parts. Each section builds on the last, improving your understanding. To wrap it up, the essential idea is now clearer. Recognize the components and how they interact. This knowledge empowers you in various fields. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue exploring together.